Thank you for choosing to tour a home from the Susman collection. If you have any questions about this or any other homes, please call 954-478-0974. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Imagine waking up every day to one of the most spectacular VALET sailboat and Biscayne Bay at the RITZ-CARLTON residences. The best line and position in the tower, the O2 line gives you the unique opportunity to enjoy coffee or drinks on a full-length patio, while watching sailboats pass you by. This open-concept, fully furnished rental is the epitome of luxury living. From the 24 valet and concierge services, to in-residence dining, and hotel and resort amenities, this palace in the sky is sure to please. Live in one of the world's most vibrant areas, superb dining and entertainment. This unit is available now. Owner will consider a shorter-term rental. Call agent for details. 18954-478-0974.